Turn your old, scratched black and white photos into vibrant, clear memories with just a click. Wondershare Uniconverter AI tools can erase scratches, enhance details, and even bring colors to life. In this video, I will show you jaw-dropping before and after transformations. Let's swipe through the magic. This is the Uniconverter interface, and as you can see, it's packed with audio, video, and image editing tools. But in today's video, I will focus specifically on the AI image enhancer. Let's open it up. Here you will find 6 AI models for different photo editing tasks: auto enhancer, face enhancer, photo colorizer, color correction, old photo restorer, and image upscaler. Let's start with face enhancer, which is perfect for improving blurry and unrecognizable faces in photos. To begin, click here to upload an image. Let's upload this one and see how it works. Just look at this image, it's completely messed up. The face has no details, everything is blurry and all over the face. But don't worry, all you need to do is click preview and let the magic happen. As you can see, this AI tool has brilliantly restored all the facial details. It's like AI on steroids, absolutely mind-blowing. Let's upload another image. This one has color artifacts and the quality of the picture is very low. Let's hit the preview and see if this AI tool can enhance the face. Look how perfectly this AI tool has restored the image, bringing back the clarity and vibrancy it once had. And now let's move on to another amazing tool, the auto enhancer. This one works similarly to the face enhancer, but it does even better job at enhancing not just the face but the entire image, making every detail sharper and more vibrant. Let's try it with a sample image. As you can see, the auto enhancer did an excellent job. The image now looks sharper, more detailed, and overall more polished, with improvements across the entire scene, not just in the person. Now it's time to test this AI tool by giving it the hardest task ever. Look at this image. Do you think any other AI tool could restore it? It seems nearly impossible for other tools, but not for Uniconverter. Let me show you the real magic. And there you go. I have nothing more to say, just take a look and judge for yourself. The results speak for themselves. Now let's move on to another amazing AI model, the old photo colorizer. This tool can help you colorize your old black and white photos and bring them back to life. Let's try it with another image. Let's see if it can actually colorize this one. And as usual, this AI tool did an impressive job. Look how everything has color now, making the image look vibrant and lifelike. And now let's move on to the color correction AI model, which is super useful for improving your image's color and brightness. Let's upload an image, hit preview, and there you go. It's that simple. And now the image looks much better. Let's move on to another amazing tool, the image upscaler. It has an upscale setting that allows you to enhance your image up to 8x. That's incredible. You can generate thousands of images using AI, but none of them will have the better quality, just like this image. That's where a good image upscaler comes in, and Uniconverter is here to deliver. Just look at this image. See how it was before and how it looks now. Isn't that amazing? Now let's talk about the old photo restorer, one of the best AI models in Uniconverter's AI image enhancer suite. Now take a look at this picture. It's old, faded, colorless, and scratched. Restoring a photo like this would normally take hours of hard work in Photoshop or any other tool, but let me show you how effortlessly you can bring this image back to life using Uniconverter's old photo restorer and colorizer features. As you can see, the photo has been successfully restored, all the details are back and the scratches are completely gone. While it's done an amazing job at restoring the old photo, there is something still missing, which is color. To colorize it, let's export this image first. Then upload it again to use the old photo colorizer AI model. Let's see how it brings this photo to life. And there you have it. The photo looks amazing now, perfectly colorized and full of life. It's like the image has been completely brought back to its original charm. The best part about this tool is its ability to handle batch exports effortlessly. Let's upload the images I want to enhance. Choose the AI model, and with just one click, export them all. And there you have it, quick, easy and done. Uniconverter comes with so many amazing tools for audio, video and images. For example, it has watermark remover for removing watermarks from videos and pictures. There are tools like image converter, background remover and thumbnail maker for images. For audio, it has noise remover, voice changer and text to speech. And for video, you get a screen recorder, video enhancer, subtitle editor, video compressor and much more. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials and reviews. And if you want to try Uniconverter for yourself, check out the link in the description. Thanks again for your support and I will see you in the next video.